listen me know. Sometimes the darkest clouds only make the sunshine feel brighter, and your love is the golden light that found my heart. Before you came into my life, we was walking through the night, searching for a brighter day, waiting for the clouds to fade away. Then you came like morning sun and showed me love had just begun. With your smile and gentle care, you brought a light beyond compare. Every time I see your face, my heart finds a peaceful place. Like the sunrise after rain, you wash away my hidden pain. Your smile shines across my soul, making broken pieces whole. Like the sky turning bright and new, everything feels better with you. Oh, tell me, give thanks above for this beautiful love. Every sunrise, every day, your golden light shows my way. Your smile is my golden light, breaking through my darkest nights. Like the morning sun above, you fill my world with endless love. Your smile is my golden light, making everything feel right. Through every season, every storm, your love keeps my heart warm. Oh baby, you are my sunshine forever. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite song, the sweetest peace I ever found. Your gentle art, your loving way, brings beauty into every day. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is your love always around. Like the clouds that disappear when the morning light appears, your love takes away the gray and brings color to my day. Hold my hand, stay with me, this is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Your smile is my golden light, breaking through my darkest nights. Like the morning sun above, you fill my world with endless love. Your smile is my golden light, making everything feel right. Through every season, every storm, your love keeps my heart warm. Listen me now, some people search the world around for a love they never found. But God blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. Every sunset paints your name, every sunrise feels the same. A reminder every day that your love will always stay. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may go, your golden light is what I know. Like a flower reaching high, like the sun across the sky, your love keeps shining through. eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your golden light will always shine on me. Your smile is my golden light, the blessing shining through my life. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Your smile is my golden light, a love that makes my world ignite. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, 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 you are the light that shines in me. The sun may rise, the clouds may come, but true love always brings the light. And your smile will forever be my golden light that found my heart. Listen to know, some connections cannot be explained. Some hearts recognize each other before words are ever spoken. And I know you are my soulmate. From the moment I looked in your eyes, I felt a love I could not disguise. Something deeper than words can say, something that never fades away. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night. Then you arrived like destiny and brought the missing part of me. Every heartbeat feels your name. Nothing about us feels the same. Like two rivers becoming one, our journey had already begun. Your energy brings me peace, like a gentle island breeze. When I'm close to you, I know my heart has found its home. Oh, Jah, me give thanks above for this spiritual love. Soul to soul, heart to heart, nothing can tear us apart. You are my soulmate, my destiny, the deepest connection living inside of me. Like the ocean meets the endless sky, our love was written before time. You are my soulmate, my forever, a bond that grows stronger together through every season, every tide. I know your heart belongs with mine. Oh baby, you are my soul's rhythm. Walking with you by the shore, we keep loving you more and more. The waves can sing, the stars can shine, but nothing compares to this love of mine. Your smile brings a peaceful flame. My world changes when you say my name. Every touch and every embrace feels like I have found my place. I don't need riches or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. Because the greatest gift I know is the connection that we show. Like roots growing deep in the earth, you remind me of my worth. No distance and no time can break the love our souls create. Stay beside me, hold me near. I want your love year after But Jah blessed me from the start when He connected heart to heart. Every sunset tells our story, every moment shines with glory. Every memory we create shows a love that cannot fade. Like the rhythm of the ocean waves, our love is something time cannot change. Every beat and every sound shows the connection we have found. You are my peace, you are my home, the place my heart will always know. Feel it rhythm, feel it bass. Love is moving through the space, soul to soul, deep and true. My heart found a home in you. No stone, no break could ever break the bond we share, the love we made. When the years have passed us by, I'll still see love inside your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing we have come so far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. My soulmate love will always be. You are my soulmate, my destiny, the greatest love my heart will ever see. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. You are my soulmate, my forever, a connection that will fade never. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, our souls will dance for eternity. Some loves are found by chance, but some loves are written in the soul, and mine was written with you. Listen and know, some things in life are precious. Some things we cannot live without. And your love is the rhythm that keeps my heart alive. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your gentle heart and care, you showed me love was always there. Every smile and every touch reminds me why I love you so much. Every moment by your side feels like heaven in the sky. Like the ocean needs the shore, I keep needing you more and more. You are the peace inside my soul, the love that makes me whole. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this powerful love. Every heartbeat, every day, your love keeps guiding my way. Every breath I take, I feel your love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the air that keeps me alive, your love helps my spirit rise. Every breath I take, I think of you, a love so deep and pure and true. Through every season, every tide, I need your love right by my side. Oh baby, you are my reason. Walking with you by the sea, Feels like we're meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the sweetest peace I ever found. Your presence brings a light so bright, like the stars that shine at night. I don't need diamonds or gold. Your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that stays around. Like the flower needs the rain, you bring beauty to my days. Like the sun needs the morning sky, I need you standing by. Hold my hand, stay with me. This is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Every breath I take, I feel your love, a blessing sent from up above. Like the air that keeps me alive, your love helps my spirit rise. Every breath I take, I think of you. A love so deep and pure and true. Through every season, every tide, I need your love right by my side. Listen, you know some people search their whole life through for a love that feels this true. But Jah blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. Every sunrise, every night, your love keeps my world bright. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. You are the rhythm in my soul, the missing piece that makes me whole. And every moment I receive shows me why I believe. I feel a rhythm, feel it breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. Every breath, every beat, your love makes my life complete. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always live in me. Every breath I take, I feel your love, the greatest gift I've ever known. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Every breath I take, I think of you. My forever, my dream come true. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, with every breath I take, I love you. Yeah. The ocean needs the waves, the earth needs the rain, and my heart needs your love. With every breath I take, listen me know, real love is not only for the easy days. It stays through the storms, through the changes, through everything. That is unconditional love. Before you came into my life, me was walking through the night, searching for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your patience and your care, you showed me love was always there. I don't love you for what you give, I love you for the way you live, for the beauty in your eyes, for the soul you show from the start. Every smile and every tear, I will hold you ear by ear. Every mountain we must climb, I will stand with you through time. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this faithful love. Through the sunshine, through the rain, my heart chooses you again. My love is unconditional, forever loyal, forever true. Through every storm and every night, I will always stand with you. My love is unconditional, hey, nothing can change the way I feel. Through every season, every tide, this love will always remain real. Oh baby, my heart belongs to you. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. When the waves begin to rise, I will be your paradise. When the world feels cold and dark, I will help protect your heart. When the road becomes unclear, I will always be right here. I don't need perfect days to love you in 1,000 ways, because true love understands and never lets go of your hand. Like a tree that stands so tall, through the wind and through it all, our roots will always remain, growing stronger through the rain. Stay beside me, trust my heart, nothing will tear us apart. Through every challenge, through every tide, forever with you by my side. My love is unconditional, hey, forever loyal, forever true. Through every storm and every night, I will always stand with you. My love is unconditional, hey, nothing can change the way I feel. Through every season, every tide, this love will always remain real. Listen to know, some people love when skies are clear, but disappear when storms are near. But my heart will never run. When the hardest days have come, I will love you when you're smiling, I will love you when you're crying, I will hold you when you're weak, I will give you what you seek. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because the promise that I made will never ever fade. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. Every chapter we go through only brings me closer to you. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Heart to heart, soul to soul, your sweet love has made me whole. No fear, no doubt, I will never walk out. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you, every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free, this unconditional love will always be. My love is unconditional, the deepest promise I can give. Through the sunshine and the rain, you are the reason that I live. My love is unconditional. It does not run, it does not change. It simply stays, and my heart will always stay with you. Listen and know, some bonds are not made by chains, they are made by the heart. A connection so deep that two souls become one. Before you came into my life, me was wandering through the night, searching for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your loving gentle way, you changed my world that day. Every moment close to you feels like a dream coming true. Every heartbeat, every breath shows me love with no regret. Like the ocean holds the shore, I don't need to search anymore, because my heart already knows where my forever grows. Oh, Jah, we give thanks above for this powerful love. Soul to soul, heart to heart, nothing can tear us apart. I am bound to your love in a way I cannot explain. Like the stars belong the sky, like the ocean needs the rain. I am bound to your love, and I never wanna break free, because the sweetest place I know is where your heart is holding me. Oh baby, forever connected. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile brings my soul alive, your love gives me strength to rise. Every touch and every kiss feels like a moment of pure bliss. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me bound. Like a flower reaching the sun, our forever has begun. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. Hold me closer, stay with me, this is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. I am bound to your love in a way I cannot explain. Like the stars belong the sky, like the ocean needs the rain. I am bound to your love, and I never wanna break free, because the sweetest place I know is where your heart is holding me. Listen and know, some people search their whole life through for a love that feels this true. But Jah blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. Like roots beneath the earth so deep, your love is a promise I will keep. Through the laughter and the tears, I will choose you. Through the years, you are my peace, you are my song, the place where my heart belongs. holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love will always be connected to me. I am bound to your love, the greatest feeling I have known. Through the sunshine and the rain, you have become my heart's home. I am bound to your love. I am bound to your love. A bond that time can never move. Through every season, every year, my heart will always choose you forever. Bound to your love, my soulmate, my truth. Yeah. Some hearts are meant to find each other. Some loves are meant to last forever. And my heart will always be bound to you. Bound to you. Listen me know, every queen dreams of a love that feels like paradise, a heart that protects, a soul that understands. And I found my king. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your strength and gentle care, you showed me love was always there. You stand tall like a mountain high, like a blessing beneath the sky. With your kindness and your way, you bring beauty to my days. Every moment by your side feels like waves upon the tide. You are the peace inside my soul, the love that makes me whole. Jah, me give thanks above for this royal love. Heart of gold, strong and true. My forever is with you. You are my island king, the joy that your love brings, like the sun above the sea. You are everything to me. You are my island king, my heart's most precious dream. Through every season, every tide, I stand proudly by your side. Oh baby, you are my paradise. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your hands are strong but your heart is kind, a real love that's hard to find. You protect and you understand, always holding my heart in your hands. I don't need diamonds or gold, your love is the treasure I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I know is the warmth your heart always shows. Like a king beneath the stars, you remind me who we are. Two hearts connected as one, a love brighter than the sun. God blessed me from the start when He brought you to my heart. Every sunset tells our story, every moment shines with glory. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the home I know. You are my strength, you are my peace, the love that gives my soul release. Us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you, every day my heart stays true, forever faithful, forever free. My island king, you will always be. You are my island king, the greatest love choose your heart again and again. You are my island king, my forever everything, through every season, every year. My heart will always keep you near, forever, forever. My king, my love, my paradise. Yeah. A queen knows a treasure, not by what he owns, but by the love he gives. And my heart found its king. Listen me now, some feelings don't need words, some love is spoken. True a touch, true a look, true simply being there. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came with a gentle way and showed my heart a brighter day. No perfect words could ever say the love I feel for you each day. Every touch tells me you care, every moment shows you're there, every smile and every glance feels like a beautiful romance. Like the ocean speaks to shore, your love tells me more and more without a single word to say. Your heart speaks to mine every day. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this silent love, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your presence makes me whole. Your love is my language, a feeling words could never explain. Through your touch and your embrace, you wash away my every pain. Your love is my language, the sweetest message I have known. When I'm close to you, I feel my heart has finally found its home. Oh baby, I understand your love. Walking with you by the sea feels like where I'm meant to be. Palm trees dancing in the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. Your hand in mine says everything, more than any words could bring. Your arms become my safest place, a world of comfort and grace. I don't need diamonds or gold. Your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest gift I know is the way you love always shows. Like a melody beneath the moon, my heart understands your tune. And every moment that we share tells me how much you care. Stay beside me, hold me near. I feel your love year after year. Through every storm, through every tide, your presence stays right by my side. Your love is my language, a feeling words could never explain. Through your touch and your embrace, you wash away my every pain. Your love is my language, hey, the sweetest message I have known. When I'm close to you, I feel my heart has finally found its home. Listen, no, some people speak with many words, but true love is something heard in the silence of a stare, in the comfort of someone who cares. Every sacrifice you make, every promise that you take, shows a love so deep and real, a connection that I feel. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may go, your love is the language I know. You are my peace, you are my song, the place where my heart belongs. Oh, feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is flowing through the trees. No words, no sound, just your love around. Heart to heart, hand in hand, forever together we will stand. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you, every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your love language will always speak to me. Ah, your love is my language, the greatest message I have known. Through the sunshine and the rain, your love will always lead me home. Your love is my language, heart upon that time can never move. Through every season, every year, my heart will always choose you. Forever, forever, I will understand the love you show. Yeah. Some love is written in words, but the deepest love is felt in the heart. And yours will always be my favorite language. My favorite language. My favorite language. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I'd find you. Then you came with a gentle way and showed restored my heart to brighter day. No perfect words could ever say the love I feel for you each day. Every touch tells me you care. Every moment shows you there. Every smile and every glance feels like a beautiful romance. Like the ocean speaks to shore, your love tells me more and more. Without a single word to say, your heart speaks to me. Listen, you know, sometimes home is not a place, not a house, not a city. Sometimes home is the person who holds your heart. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a place to belong, looking for where my heart was strong. Then you came like morning light, making everything feel right. With your love and gentle care, I found my safe place waiting there. Every moment close to you feels like something fresh and new. Every heartbeat, every smile makes my worries fade for a while. Like the ocean finds the shore, I don't need to search anymore. In your arms I finally see the home that was meant for me. Oh Jah, may give thanks above for this precious love. Every heartbeat, every day, your love guides my way. I found my home in your arms, a place of peace, a place of warmth, where my heart can finally rest, where I know I am truly blessed. I found my home in your arms, safe from every storm and harm. I don't need another place to go, because your love is all I know. Oh baby, you are my own forever. Walking with you by the shore, we don't need anything more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your laughter is my favorite sound, the sweetest peace I ever found. Your gentle touch, your loving way brings comfort to my everyday. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me safe and sound. Like a candle in the night, you bring my world a peaceful light. Every dream and every prayer feels complete because you're there. Hold me closer, stay with me. This is where I want to be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. I found my home in your arms, a place of peace, a place of warmth, where my heart can finally rest, where I know I am truly blessed. I found my home in your arms, safe from every storm and harm. I don't need another place to go, because your love is all I know. Listen, some people travel far and wide, searching for a place inside. But I found what I was looking for the moment you opened your door. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. Your loving arms are home to me. I found my home, the greatest blessing in my life. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. I found my home in your arms, where my soul feels safe and calm. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, my home is you. Yeah. The world can change, the seasons can move, but one thing my heart will always know: the place I belong is right here in your arms. Yeah. Listening on. Some forces cannot be controlled, like the ocean follows the moon. My heart will always be pulled back to you. From the first moment I saw your eyes, I felt a love I could not disguise. Something deeper than words could say, a feeling that never fades away. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night. Then you came like the morning sun and showed me where my heart belongs. Every heartbeat pulls me near, every moment makes it clear. Like the waves return to the shore, I keep wanting you more and more. Your love moves like the ocean blue, always bringing me back to you. No matter where this journey goes, my heart already knows. Oh Jah, me give thanks above for this endless love. Like a moon moves the sea, your love keeps calling me. You are my eternal tide, the love I cannot leave behind. Like the ocean's endless motion, you pull me closer every time. You are my eternal tide, the rhythm flowing deep inside. Through every season, every way, your love is the one my heart will chase. Oh baby, forever I am drawn to you. Walking with you by the shore, me keep loving you more and more. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, love is flowing through the trees. Your smile is my morning light, your presence makes my world feel right. Every touch and every embrace takes me to a peaceful place. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me bound. Like the ocean meets the sand, I always reach for your hand. No distance searched the world around for a love they never found. But Jah blessed me from the start when He connected heart to heart. Every sunset tells our story, every moment shines with glory. Every memory we create makes our love become so great. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine, because wherever life may go, your love is the current tide. Oh, like the waves that rise and fall, your love keeps answering my call. Every beat inside my soul says your love has made me whole. Feel the rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is moving through the seas, heart to heart, soul to soul. Your sweet love has made me whole. Like the ocean, like the tide, I will always stay by your side. Hey. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true. Forever faithful, forever free. This eternal tie will always be. You are my eternal tide, the deepest love I feel inside. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. You are my eternal tide, a love that time cannot divide. Through every season, every year, my heart will always keep you near. Forever, forever, I will be drawn to you. The ocean follows the moon. The waves return to the shore, and my heart will always find its way back to you. Ooh, listen me know, some love stories are created by chance, but some were written before we ever met. Like stars shining across the sky, our love was already meant to be. Before you came into my life, we were searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then you came like a shining star, guiding me from where I was. Like a dream I couldn't see, you became my destiny. Every moment, every sign feels like the universe alive. Every heartbeat tells me why I was meant to find your eyes. Like the moon controls the sea, your love keeps pulling me through every road and every mile. You were written in my life. Oh, Jah, make it keep loving you more and more. Ocean waves beneath the moon, playing our eternal tune. Your smile lights up the darkest night. Your love makes everything feel right. Every touch and every embrace feels like a blessing from a higher place. I don't need diamonds or gold, your loving heart is what I hold. 'Cause the greatest treasure found is the love that keeps me safe and sound. Like constellations in the sky, our hearts were never meant to hide. Every path that led me through was leading me to you. Hold my hand, stay with me. This is where I wanna be. Through every storm, through every tide, forever with you by my side. Our love was written in the stars before we knew just who we are. Like two souls across the sky, finding each other every time. Our love was written in the stars. No distance could keep us apart. Through every season, every year, I know your love was meant to be here. Listen me now, some people search their whole life through for a love that feels this true. But God blessed me from the start when He connected heart to heart. Every sunset, every night shows me your eternal light. Every memory we create feels like a story written by fate. No distance and no time could ever change this heart of mine. Because wherever life may go, your love is a home I know. Like the stars that always shine, your heart will always stay with mine. A love beyond what eyes can see, a forever written destiny. Oh, feel your rhythm, feel the breeze. Love is shining through the trees. Stars above, ocean below, our hearts know where to go. No time, no space could ever erase the love we found in this place. When the years have passed us by, I'll still look into your eyes, holding hands beneath the stars, knowing love has brought us far. Every morning I will choose you. Every day my heart stays true, forever faithful, forever free. The star-written love will always be. Our love was written in the stars, the greatest gift I've ever known. Through the sunshine and the rain, I'll choose your heart again and again. Our love was written in the stars. A bond that time can never move. Through every season, every year, my heart will always stay with you. Forever, ooh, forever, our story shines among the stars. Yeah. Some stars may fade, some nights may change, but true love, we're written in the universe, will always remain. And my heart was written with yours. Before you came into my life, me was searching through the night, looking for a love so true, never knowing I would find you. Then you came like a shining star, guiding me align.